My dear friends and students, today I will be sharing 7 steps of success, which I have found from the book Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. So let us see what are the 7 steps of success. Everybody want to succeed. हर एक आदमी चाहता है कि वो सक्सेसफुल हो, whether it is a student, whether it is a teacher, whether it is a businessman, whether it is a professional. Everybody want to succeed. Okay. So first step is decide what you want to do. What is your goal? Yeah, goal setting is very very important. अगर आपका गोल ही डिसाइड नहीं है कि what you have to do, nothing can happen. This is the first step and very very important. Decide what you want to achieve. And the second step, just write it down what you have decided. जो भी आपने अपना गोल सेट किया है, suppose you are a student and you know after 1 month you are having a paper. So decide it, how much marks I want to achieve. Suppose I ask, from past 20 years I have been an educator, and if I ask a student, imagine how much marks you want to achieve, what is your expectation? So they usually say, I want good marks. What is good marks? Suppose the paper is out of 30, so how much marks you want? It should be very specific. Very, very specific. If you want to earn more money, what is that exact amount which you want to earn, which you want to have? Write it down. Because when you write it down, it motivates you. वो आपको motivate करेगा, वो आपको energy देगा. और जब आप इस full of energy से होगे तो आपको एक habit form हो जाएगी. ठीक है? And you are doing the task with more energy. ऑलवेज सेट अ डेडलाइन कि मेरे को कितने दिन में ये टास्क पूरा करना है, मेरे को ये पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट कितने दिन में अचीव करनी है. ऑलवेज सेट अ डेडलाइन. द फोर्थ स्टेप, मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ टास्क विच विल हेल्प यू टू अचीव. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई एम अ स्टूडेंट एंड आई वॉन्ट टू स्कोर 30 out of 30 marks in mathematics, so what are the different tasks I have to do? There may be some tasks, which chapter I have to do, what questions I have to do, how many times I have to practice, what timetable I have to follow, when should I get up. So make a list of tasks which will help you to achieve that goal. This is the fourth step. Fifth and the most important step, organize the list. Whatever your list you have made, just organize it so that it can become a plan. Set priority. Arrange the task in sequence. Make a list of tasks which will help you to achieve that goal. वरना क्या होगा, ये केवल प्लान के प्लान रह जाएंगे. हम कभी भी इसे एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर पाएंगे. हम प्रोकास्टिनेट ही करते रहेंगे. और दिस इज द बिगेस्ट हर्डल. यू हैव टू सेट द प्रायोरिटी. प्रायोरिटी ए, प्रायोरिटी बी, प्रायोरिटी सी. राइट. The sixth step, take action immediately. Do it now. Take action. If you're not taking action, you will not achieve anything. Whether it is money, whether it is the marks, anything. Do something daily. Seventh step, do something daily which motivates you and be consistent. Give positive affirmation to yourself and visualize that you are completing that task. Visualize yourself. Okay, now I'm sharing the positive information which you can give to your mind so that your progress can enhance. How to accelerate your progress. Okay, how to install positive belief in your subconscious mind. What my mentor had told me. So repeat with me. Every day, in every way, I am getting better, better, better. Feel the energy. Every day, in every way, I am getting better, better, and better. I am getting better, better, and better. The past does not equal to the future. The past does not equal to the future. Miraculous changes are happening in my life with God's priceless blessings. Failure is never final. I always carry the power to transform my situation. Failure is never final. Failure is never final. I always carry the power to transform myself. Happiness needs no reason, and I am happy without a reason. I guarantee you, if you follow these 7 steps, the success is yours. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.